In Metz's absence, the WMC moved further into the automobile business. One of their very first motor cars was the Orient Buckboard Runabout. Introduced in 1903, this vehicle was very basic in its design. The frame consisted of two wooden rails covered by floorboards, axles mounted front and rear, a tiller used for steering, a friction drive, and a single-cylinder engine mounted on the back. This design was intended for simplicity and economy. In 1905, the Orient Buckboard was the least expensive car in the country. It was produced until 1907, by which time it had been improved by the addition of some rudimentary bodywork, leaf springs front and rear for a better ride, a steering wheel instead of a tiller on some models, and an optional two-cylinder engine. Its performance, by all accounts, was adequate. The WMC continued to develop and produce new automobiles, but business suffered in Metz's absence, and in 1908 he was asked to return to the company in the midst of its financial troubles. He agreed to buy them out, and the WMC was renamed the Metz Company, and continued manufacturing bikes, motorcycles, and automobiles under his ownership until 1922.